What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here. Today I'm bringing you a review of the El Jefe winch cover. Let's check it out. Your winch is one of your bigger expenses on your Jeep, and you're going to want to protect it from the elements. You don't want that winch line to get frayed. You don't want it to get damaged. You want it to be available for when you need it. You want to be able to rely on it when you need it. As you can see, that was really simple to put on, just stretches right over and it protects your winch. Now I've had this on for a few weeks now and it really hasn't, it doesn't look much worse than the day I put it on. So it's really holding up well, and it seems like it's gonna hold up and continue to protect my winch. This cover is pretty simple to install. It's just got kind of elastic material here, and you just throw it right over your winch. Pretty simple, easy to do. You don't have to worry about any bungee cords or anything. Stitching's done really nice. It's really high quality. For 20 bucks, you can't beat it. This cover is UV ray resistant. You're not going to get any of those harmful sun rays breaking down your winch line through this, so it's really helpful to have. This winch cover seems to be made out of a really durable material. It seems really well built. I don't think you're going to puncture anything through this. It's a little thin, but I've never had a winch cover before, but I thought I needed to start protecting my winch. Because if you look at this, see, if you look right here, we got these bolts starting to rust, and this worn winch hasn't even been on here a year. So the New England weather isn't very nice to my winch. So any little thing I can get to help is a great thing to have. So that's it guys, I just wanted to bring you a quick review of the El Jefe winch cover. I'll post a link down below in the description box so you can check it out if you want to get one for yourself. Pick up an El Jefe winch cover and protect that winch of yours. As always guys, stay bearded, stay jeepin'. I'm out.